Good morning, good afternoon, my beloved students. This is teacher Mustafa, and now we're going to have a quick revision about the realistic fiction. Then we go to the vocabulary. As we have said, Malik Ashraf, can you start reading, please?
Yes, Mister. Realistic fiction. Realistic fiction entertains readers with
Entertains
imaginary.
reader. So the author's purpose is to
Entertain.
Very good. That's one.
With imaginary but believable characters and events.
So the characters are
characters are imaginary.
Yes, and the events are
The events are also made up.
But can they exist in real life?
Maybe.
Yes, maybe. Very good. Read.
The plot or main events of the story has 5 main parts.
How many parts?
5 main parts.
5 main parts. Let's ask Yazan to read the first 2. So Yazan.
Yes.
The
introduction presents the character, setting, and conflict or problem.
Very good. So the introduction has 3 things, right?
Yeah.
What are they?
Setting, and conflict.
Very good. Character, setting, conflict. Then we go to the
Rising action.
Very good. What does it do?
Develops the conflict through a series of events.
Yes, and here I have a question to Bara.
Yes.
Bara, do you think the events happen from the beginning to end or from the end to the beginning?
From beginning to end, of course.
Very good. From the beginning to end, these are called time order events. These are called
time order events.
Time order or chronological order.
Or sequential. Or sequential.
Or sequence. Very good. Or here, let's write it again. Sequence. Okay. So it's one of 3. Either a sequence of events. Sorry. Of events. Okay. So it's time order or chronological order or sequence of events. From the beginning to
the end.
The end. Very good. Very, very good. Great. Now, here, the rising action. Read the next one, please.
Okay. The rising action develops the conflict through a series of events.
Yes, the main
conflict reaches its peak at the climax or turning point in the story.
Yes, so the turning point or the climax is the most interesting
part in the story.
Part of the story. Very good. The climax is the most interesting part in the story. Very good. Here, after the climax,
the following action.
Yes, these are the events after the climax. The events after
the climax.
Then at the end,
the resolution.
Yes.
The resolution or conclusion, which the solution is found.
Yes, which the solution is found, or it concludes the story. This is the conclusion of the story. And of course, Malik has kindly told us that the author's purpose is to
entertain.
Entertain. Thank you very much, Bara. Thank you for your help. Okay, so let's look at this funny drawing that represents the anchor text. Look, as you can see here. Yep. First, we started with the introduction that introduces the character, the setting, and the conflict. Can you complete, Ahmed Usama?
Yes. After that, the rising action develops the conflict, and the climax is the
turning point
of the conflict.
Very good.
And the following action includes events after the climax.
Yes.
And last thing is the resolution solves the conflict and concludes the story.
Yes, very good. At the end, the resolution solves the conflict. Now, remind me again, the conflict is a word for what?
What?
What the conflict equals what?
The conflict?
Yes, equals what word?
Problem.
Yes, very good. So let me ask you something. Ahmed Ali. Ahmed Ali.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ahmed. Now tell me, please, if I say the conflict equals the problem, right?
You're right.
So here, I told the synonym or the antonym?
You told the synonym.
The synonym. What's the meaning of the synonym?
A word that is the same meaning of the word of another
Good.
word.
A word that has almost the same meaning. Very, very good. Great. What is the meaning of antonym though?
A word that has a different meaning of a word.
Yes, the opposite meaning. The opposite
Meaning.
meaning. Very good. So synonym means the same.
The same meaning, and
And
the antonym
antonym?
means the opposite meaning.
The opposite meaning. Very good. I will give you an exercise now and send you to breakout rooms. Okay. Because I know you can't do it. So thank you for this amazing period. I hope you revised the realistic fiction genre and that you learned about the antonyms and synonyms. Okay. Now here we have an exercise that our beloved 5E students will do in the breakout rooms. So thank you. Love you. Bye.